All right, this is the 1PA1 men's two-piece 100% linen slim fit suit. The company sent me this product to check out and do a video for, so let's do it. Let me show you what this thing looks like up close. When you get the suit, it arrives folded up in these two bags here, and attached to the suit is an extra button here in case you ever need it. So the suit itself is made of a really nice, lightweight, breathable, and durable linen. Linen is very durable. Linen has a, like a high fiber strength, so it's resistant to fading, and it is harder to tear. It's a durable suit. The one thing is that linen fabric is easy to wrinkle, but that's okay. It's, it's easy to press, and then when you're done, just hang it up. When you clean this, it's gonna be dry clean only or pressing with a steam iron. It's a nice classic design two-piece suit. I think it looks great. It has a 2-button closer on the front of the jacket with 4 sleeve buttons on each side. And we've got 2 kind of faux pockets on the front. They don't actually function as pockets, but you can see that they're sewed in here to appear as pockets. When you get this, you're gonna wanna make sure you check out the size chart, get it as close as possible, and if you need to, then you can have your tailor make any alterations that need to be done. And I think there's room in the back you can even move out. On the inside here, we've got a pocket on this side, on the right side. This is a faux pocket in the front. Another inside pocket on the left, and a smaller pocket right here on the inside of it. Got a nice smooth fabric on the inside here that makes it easier to slide on and slide off. Same thing on the pants here, a nice silky smooth inside. Makes it super comfortable to slide on and slide off and wear. You can see the stitching around the outer section of this. Looks great. We've got a zippered fly on the front along with a clasp and a button, and there's actually a second button on the inside if you should need it. We've got 2 functional pockets on each side of the back of the pants. We've got relatively deep front pockets on each side of it. Stitching on the belt loops looks good. Very nice classic design suit. But a suit like this would be great for all kinds of occasions. Parties, business, meetings, stuff like that, events, anything you can think of really. It has breathable material on it, so it'd be great for summertime, outdoor events as well. But there you go, very nice 1PA1 two-piece, 100% linen, slim fit suit.